After the launch in 2021, our recycle program for fleet liveries is well underway. So far, we've recycled over 200 kilograms of offcuts and over 7,000 kilograms of paper liner. That's equivalent to 2 Maxus E-Deliver 9s, seen here carrying recyclable graphics for DPD, or about 15.5 gram pianos. So you might be wondering where it all goes. What happens to it? What does it get turned into? Well, first, let me give you an outline of the process. During installation, we collect all the paper liner and the vinyl offcuts from the graphics, both of which get recycled, but in 2 separate processes. Then, when the livery is ready to be decommissioned, we remove the graphics and take them to be recycled, which is the second stage in the process. But what is this process? What does it look like? What does everything get turned into? Well, let me paint a picture for you. Perfect. Aura was the first to pioneer this innovative new PVC recycling service. The best thing about this is that these items are continuously recyclable, creating a circular economy and a waste-free livery service. Load it into our baler to be compressed into bales, and then the bales are packed off to be processed and turned into useful recyclable items like traffic cones and furniture. So there you have it. This will one day become traffic cones and garden furniture, and we're always looking to grow our process. For example, we've recently expanded this to include recycling the laminate liner backing from our factory. This recycling will equate to 9 tons every 6 months on average. Similarly, we send our kits out to the nationwide installation sites in reused boxes to complete the reduce, reuse, recycle. If you want to see more of what we do in terms of fleet liveries and sustainable solutions, check this out. And this video is what YouTube thinks that you would want to see.